Hi everyone, I'm Apollonia Ponte, your dating and relationship coach and founder of ApolloniaPonte.com. I help men confidently attract the woman they desire and build the love life they truly want. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the number one thing that makes a woman attracted to you and stay emotionally connected to you over time. Now, before we get into it, understand this. Attraction is not just one single thing. There are many layers to it. I talk about this in my attraction handbook, my programs, and coaching sessions, but if we strip everything down to the core, there is one foundation that always stands out above everything else, and that is your self-dignity. Self-dignity is what ultimately shapes how a woman experiences you, how she feels around you, and whether she sees you as someone she truly values. It comes from how you carry yourself, your self-respect, your confidence, your values, and your boundaries. So let's break this down in a simple way. What I want you to do is this. Grab a pen and paper. In the center, write self-dignity. Now draw a few branches out from it. Confidence, self-worth, self-love, values, boundaries. Because self-dignity is not just one idea, it's built from all of these areas combined. Let's go through them. Confidence. Ask yourself, what does confidence actually look like for you? Not what you see online, not what others define, but your version. Where are you already confident in your life? And where are you not showing up with certainty? Confidence is not about acting tough. It's about being grounded in who you are. Self-worth. Now ask yourself, what does self-worth mean to you? Write your own definition. Because if you don't define your worth, the world will define it for you, and not always in your favor. Self-worth is how you value yourself when no one is validating you. Self-love. What do you actually do for yourself consistently? Daily, weekly, or monthly? Not for attention, not for approval, just for you. Because self-love is not a feeling, it's a habit. Values. What do you stand for in life and relationships? What do you refuse to compromise on? Your values are what shape your identity as a man, and when you live by them consistently, people feel it. That's where respect is built. Boundaries. Now this is very important. What are you willing to tolerate? And what are you not willing to tolerate? Because without boundaries, attraction becomes unstable. Boundaries are what protect your self-respect. Now here's the reason I'm giving you this exercise instead of a simple, quick answer. Because self-dignity is not something you just get from watching a video. It's something you build through clarity and inner work. And when you don't have clarity on your confidence, your worth, your values, and your boundaries, that's when you become unsure of yourself. And that uncertainty is exactly what weakens attraction. But when you do the inner work and you define who you are clearly, something shifts. You stop chasing validation, you stop overthinking how to act, and you naturally become more grounded, more stable, and more attractive. That is what creates real emotional impact with a woman. Not games, not tricks, but how you carry yourself. So take this seriously. Do the exercise. Write it down. Be honest with yourself. Because this is where real attraction starts. I'd love to hear your answers, so feel free to comment below. I read as many as I can and respond when I'm able. If you found value in this, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, you are always worth it. Bye for now.